Alright, so what's good, y'all? Y'all see, man, we back again, you feel me? Another IRL video, you feel me? Hey, you feel me? We out here, man. We finna go try to get girls' numbers without saying a single word, y'all. Hey, this might be a little hard, but you feel me? I don't think it's gonna be too hard, nigga. Cause look at me, bro. You feel me? Get the fit, nigga. Get the fit, nigga. Look at me though. You feel me? I'm out here stepping today with the slides, man. So alright, man, let's get right into this video, y'all. Road to 100K. Be on the lookout. Be on the motherfucking lookout, bro. We finna drop some bangers.
Bitch, I'm tryna make it out. I keep a vest, they tryna take me out. Outside your house, bitch, we staking out. Nigga, don't make me take it out. You say you're married, well, you're wearing ring. Cause bitch, I'm married to the game. Blood, sweat.
Finna go for the three-piece, man. You already know the vibes, baby. Real niggas. They better not tell me they got a boyfriend, bro.
Hi. What do you want me to type in?
Oh, I want your number.
Okay. You have my Snapchat? Nah. Okay.
Alright, y'all. Let's see what we can work with. Escada. Work it.
You want my number? Can you ask for it?
God. Why? My number? For what? Why are you videotaping me? I don't know you though. What's your name? M? M? Is it M? This is funny.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have a boyfriend, sorry.
So do I.
He was lying their ass off. They lying their ass off.
What? What? My phone number? Sure. A lot. Yeah. Like fantasy show? Yeah.
Alright, man, we back.
I literally just saw you guys do this to somebody else.
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
So yeah, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and sit down at this little, on this swing, about to get this number. I think it's it.
Sorry. Can I help you? Sorry, what do you want?
Is this your phone?
I'm not very comfortable with giving out my numbers. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. We on that. Hey, look, go back a little bit. I don't want one.
Got the blue. I got the red. Oh shit, I know them niggas already friends.
For real?
Yeah, fuck it though.
Man, hey, they got me fucked up, bro. What the fuck? Just for a fucking video. I don't want y'all number, bro. What the fuck?
Finna go dance with this shorty, get her number, you feel me?
How you been? That was hard. Told you that was hard. I had to put on my dancing shoes, you feel me? They said, ooh, my name, I said, ooh.
Ran out here Gucci 2K for the overcoat. Been sipping the pints of the red and the axes before you and no coulda overdosed. Used to play with them pistols and act like I couldn't be touched. I was young, but I'm older though. Still keep it glizzy tucked on me though. Shit like the Navy strapped over my shoulder though. I'm getting colder though. I got some fans on comments saying I ain't the one no more. But I ain't the one.